Remember using formulas to calculate simple math problems like 2 plus 2 equals 4 or 2 pizzas times $10 equals $20? You can use these same formulas to work with numerical data in your spreadsheets, just like you would use a calculator. Google Sheets uses standard operators for math equations, like a plus sign for addition, a minus sign for subtraction, an asterisk for multiplication, a forward slash for division, and a caret for exponents. You're probably used to seeing equations like 5 plus 5 equals, but in Google Sheets, the equal sign comes first. That's because the cell itself contains or is equal to the formula and its value. We'll start things off slow with a simple addition formula to help calculate a budget. As you can see, I've already entered the initial amounts, $1,200 for June and $1,500 for July. To create a formula, select the cell where you want the total to appear. Then type an equal sign. But instead of entering 1,200 plus 1,500, we're going to use cell references to create our formula. A cell reference is when your formula contains cell addresses instead of the numbers in those cells. They're useful because they make it possible to update your spreadsheet without ever having to rewrite your formulas. The values we want are in cells D10 and D11, so we'll write the formula this way, D10 plus D11. Press Enter on your keyboard, and the formula totals the numbers in D10 and D11, whether we leave them the way they are or change them to something else, say 500 and 900. The total recalculates automatically. There's an even easier way to make cell references. You'll need to use something called the point and click method. Why don't we give it a try on this formula? Here, I want to calculate the cost of supplies. That means I'll need to multiply the two numbers you see here, 15 times 8.75. So I'll start my equation, then just click this cell to make reference to it. Now type your operator, in my case, an asterisk, and click the next cell you want in your formula. Press Enter, and the total appears. Editing formulas is also just a click away. If you have any formulas that you want to fix or modify, all you have to do is double-click the cell. For example, this one is using the wrong cell reference. We'll just make the change, then press Enter to recalculate. Now we're getting the correct answer. As you can see, simple formulas are really pretty simple. Once you know how to use them, they can help you calculate all kinds of data in your spreadsheet.